Let's relate politics to the market. Brian Nick is with us. He's Nuveen, Chief Investment Strategist. Brian, welcome back to the show. Good
Thanks
to see
for having
you.
me.
I'm going to take you through three different scenarios, and you tell me what the market reaction is. Number one, what most people are saying they think is going to happen, split decision. Democrats retake the House, Republicans keep the Senate. What happens to the market?
Well, you just said it. That's what most people think is going to happen, David's prediction notwithstanding. So if we're at a 70% scenario where that outcome comes to fruition, probably the markets don't move that much because there's no change in the expectations versus the outcome. You look at the 2016 election where we had an outcome that was not expected, Brexit, you get pretty abrupt market reactions in those scenarios. In the split decision, we've had this scenario play out with other presidents, recent other presidents, where you get kind of gridlock, you get not much happening legislatively, no big pieces of market-moving legislation in the next 2 years, and that may not be a terrible thing, and the markets can probably kind of
So no big sell-off, no big rally, steady as she goes if it's a split decision.
Sure, because that's what people are mainly priced in. Yeah.
Okay, second scenario. Republicans keep the House and do increase their majority in the Senate. Then what?
So you have to look at what is different in that scenario, what is likely to pass or not pass that would have happened in the other scenario. And you do have this I think, probability, maybe a high probability of a relatively small additional tax cut. Yep. That could be pro-market if that gets passed in the next Congress. You've seen the president talking about that, a 10% middle-class tax cut. If that gets moved through Congress in 2019 or in 2020, that could be a further mild boost to growth. But we already have a very pro-growth fiscal policy. Federal spending and tax policy is very pro-growth and will be throughout most of 2019. So it may just be at the margins where we see those changes.
Okay, but if we do get Republicans hold the House and increase their majority, it's a Republican sweep, does the market go up substantially, regardless of what's going to be passed? Does it go up on Wednesday morning?
I think the odds are that you do get a bounce in that scenario. I don't know about substantially because there are so many other things that, aside from what may be an additional slight fiscal boost, that would influence what the markets are doing.
Modest bounce up if the Republicans sweep. Okay, the other scenario, the last one, is the Democrats take the House and they also take the Senate. Democrats sweep. Then what?
From a legislative standpoint, that's not much different than the Democrats just taking one house, right? Because you sort of see an abrupt stop to any major pieces of legislation that might move the economy forward, might help the markets or what have you. But you do probably get a sort of a heightened degree of bipartisan sort of dysfunction in the way that we've seen in other presidents who have had an adversarial Congress. So you're talking about potential budget showdowns, debt ceiling, brinksmanship potentially. Those tend to be disruptive over short periods of time, but don't hurt the overall economy and don't knock markets off for more than a few days.
Okay, but Wednesday morning, if it's a Democrat sweep, the market goes down?
If it's a huge Democrat sweep, you probably get a slight modest decline because the markets are looking forward to not much happening in the next Congress.
I'm reading between the lines here. All three of these scenarios, you don't think there's going to be that big a change on the market coming Wednesday morning?
A lot of things influence what the stock market's doing, and Wednesday you might get inordinate attention paid to the election outcome, but I'm going to be much more interested in what the Fed has to say this week, later this week, and especially in December when it tells us what's got in store for 2019.
All right, Brian, we appreciate you being with us, and we'll see what happens on Wednesday morning. Thanks, Brian.